Today topic is the continuation of fractions. Now we see like fractions. Okay. See, what is like fractions? Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. What is that? See here, 1 by 15. 2 by 15, 3 by 15, 8 by 15. See the denominator. Okay, so the denominator was same. So the fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. Okay, this is the example of like fractions. Okay, see here. Now 7 by 27 and 7 by 28. In these two terms are like fractions, or 7 by 27 and 7 by 28 are like fractions? See, what is the answer? Are 7 by 27 and 7 by 28 like fractions? Their denominators are different. See the denominator? The denominators are different. Therefore, they are not like fractions. They are called unlike fraction. Okay? This is unlike fractions. So, what is that? The denominator value same means a fraction with the same denominators means that is called like fractions. The fractions with not same denominator. Okay, va? So the denominator are not same. That means denominator are different. See this example. The denominator are different. So this is called unlike fraction. Denominator same means like fraction. Denominator different means unlike fraction. Okay. Now see comparing fraction. What is the comparing fraction? See, now consider 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Okay, see in this one, I can draw some diagram. See here. See the total terms 1, 2. How many shaded region? 1. So 1 by 2. Okay. See the next one. Now I have to split 3. Okay, both are equal parts. Total parts, okay, 1, 2, 3. Shaded parts 1. So this is 1 by 3. Now, see here, I have to split 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both are equal parts. Now I have to shaded 1 parts. How many parts is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Shaded parts 1. So 1 by 4. Okay. Now see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the one part I have to shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total parts 5. Shaded region, that means shaded parts is 1. So this is called 1 by 5. Okay. See this. The portion of the whole corresponding to 1 by 2 is clearly larger than the portion of the same whole corresponding to 1 by 3. Right? See here what I told to you. See this two diagram. The portion of the whole corresponding to 1 by 2 is clearly larger than the portion of the same whole corresponding to 1 by 3. Right? So, in these two terms, 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. Right? See, 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. This is the greater value. Okay. See. But often it is not easy to say which one out of a pair of fractions is larger? For example, see 1 by 4 or 3 by 10. Okay. See, for example, which is larger? That means which is greater for in this term 1 by 4 or 3 by 10? For this, we may wish to show the fractions using figures. But drawing figures may not be easy, especially with the denominator like 13 we should. Therefore, like to have a systematic procedure to compare fractions. It is particularly easy to compare like fraction. We do this first. Do you able to understand? So wait. First see this one. Okay, see here. Comparing like fraction. Like fractions are fractions with the same denominator. Which of these are like fractions? See here 2 by 5, 3 by 4, 1 by 5, 7 by 2, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 7. Okay, see here. What I told to you, like fractions are fractions with the same denominator. See, which of these are like fractions? See here, which is the like fraction? 2 by 5, 1 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 terms only. Okay. See, let us compare two like fraction. You can take 3 by 8 and 5 by 8. See here. Now let us compare for in this two like fraction. See, I have to draw the diagram. See here, denominator value 8. So the total parts is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All are like fractions only. Okay, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write 8. Numerator value 3. So I have to shaded 3 parts. So 3 by 8. Next 5 by 8. The same diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Numerator value 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 part I have to shader. Okay. This is 3 by 8. This one is 5 by 8. See. In both the fractions, the whole is divided into, see here, 8 equal parts. For 3 by 8 and 5 by 8, we take 3 and 5 parts respectively out of the 8 equal parts. Clearly, out of 8 equal parts, the portion corresponding to 5 parts is larger than the portion corresponding to 3 parts. Right? See, this is larger. Okay. See, clearly, out of 8 equal parts, the portion corresponding to 5 parts is larger than the portion corresponding to 3 parts. Hence, what is that? 5 by 8, 3 by 8 means which one is greater? 5 by 8 is greater. Okay. Note, the number of parts taken is given by the numerator. It is therefore clear that for two fractions with the same denominator, the fractions with the greater numerator is greater. Clear? See what I told to you. See, the number of parts taken is given by the numerator. It is therefore clear that for two fractions with the same denominator, the fractions with the greater numerator, which value is the greater? 5. Okay. See, greater numerator is greater. So I have to put greater symbol. between 4 by 5 and 3 by 5. You can take 4 by 5 and 3 by 5. See which one is greater. See the denominator. The denominator is common, that is 5. Okay. So see the numerator value. See in this numerator value which one is the greater? 4. So 4 by 5 is greater value to 3 by 5. Okay. Now see the one more example. See between 11 by 20 and 13 by 20. See here 11 by 20, 13 by 20. See the denominator value is common. So see the numerator. In this numerator, which one is larger? That means which one is greater? 13 is greater. So you can put in this symbol. 11 by 20 is less than 13 by 20. So this is greater. The greater symbol you can take in this sign. Clear? Okay. Now we can see comparing unlike fraction. See what is the comparing unlike fraction? Two fractions are unlike if they have different denominators. Right? See an example 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. This is unlike. What is like fraction? Like fraction means same denominator. Okay. Unlike fraction means different denominator. See the denominator because this is the fraction. So the fraction means you can see the denominator value is equal means that is like fraction. The denominator value are different means that is unlike fraction. See two fractions are unlike if they have different denominator. See one example 1 by 3 and 1 by 5 are unlike fractions. So similarly see here 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. See the different denominator. So this is also unlike fraction. Clear? Now we see unlike fraction with the same numerator. Same numerator. Okay. Unlike fractions with the same numerator. See here. Consider a pair of unlike fractions. See 1 by 3 and same example 1 by 5. See the denominator different means that is unlike fraction. See the same numerator. What is the numerator? 1. This one is 1. Next one is also 1. Okay. So when, in which the numerator for is the same. Okay. Now which one is greater? 1 by 3 or 1 by 5? See the diagram. One, two, three. Okay, 1 by 3 you need. See, totally 3. Numerator 1. So, one part I have to shade. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one is 1 by 5. Numerator is 1. So, I have to shaded one region. That means one part. This is 1 by 3. This is 1 by 4. Okay. Now you can find which one is greater. See here. In 1 by 3, we divide the whole into 3 equal parts. Right? And take 1. In 1 by 5, we divide the whole into 5 equal parts. And take 1. Okay. Note that in 1 by 3, the whole is divided into a smaller number of parts than in 1 by 5. Okay. The equal part that we get in 1 by 3 is therefore larger than the equal part we get in 1 by 5. Since in both cases we take the same number of parts, that is 1. Okay, the portion of the whole showing 1 by 3 is larger than the portion showing 1 by 5. That means see here 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 5. Everybody clear? See here, note that in 1 by 3 the whole is divided into a smaller number of parts than in 1 by 5. The equal part that we get in 1 by 3 is therefore larger than the equal part we get in 1 by 5. Since in both cases we take the same number of parts, that is 1. So the portion of the whole showing 1 by 3 is larger than the portion showing 1 by 5. Since 1 by 3 is greater 1 by 5. Everybody able to understand? See, I will tell one simple procedure. See the unlike fraction. Okay, 1 by 3, 1 by 5 are unlike fraction. See, 1 by 3, 1 by 5. Numerator was same, right? See, the numerator is 1. Okay, different denominator, that means unlike, numerator was same. Okay, the given fraction is unlike fraction and the numerator was same means, see the denominator value, which one is smaller, and that one you can put greater symbol. See the denominator 3, 5, which one is smaller? 3 is smaller. Okay, but not 3, 1 by 3. Okay, but you can see the denominator value only 3, 5. In this one, which one is smaller? 3 is smaller. But 3 is smaller. But you can take 1 by 3 means 1 by 3 is larger comparing to 1 by 5. Clear everybody? Okay, see the denominator. The denominator is different. Numerator same means see the denominator value and the denominator which one is smallest. And that value you can put greater symbol. Now see here. Everybody clear? Don't confused for in that one. See, and take one more example. 2 by 3 and 2 by 5. See the denominator was different. So this is unlike fraction. See the numerator was same. Okay, numerator same. Denominator is unlike fraction. That means different. Okay, no problem. See denominator, what is the denominator value? 3 and 5. So which one is smaller? Consider 3 and 5 only. Okay, so which one is smaller? 3 is smaller, and that 3 is smaller means on that side you can put greater symbol. Okay, see 2 by 3 is greater 2 by 5. Everybody clear? In this case the situation is the same as in the case above, right? Except that the common numerator is 2, not 1. See, the whole is divided into a larger number of equal parts for 2 by 5 than for 2 by 3. Therefore, each equal part of the whole in case of 2 by 3 is larger than that is case of 2 by 5. Okay, sorry, that is case of 2 by 3. See, is larger than that is case of 2 by 5. Everybody clear? Definitely you will get confused. That's why I told to you. See this one. Okay, the unlike fraction, numerator is equal means see the denominator which one is smaller, and that side you can put greater symbol. That's it. Okay, don't get confused. See some example. 1 by 8, 1 by 10. Okay, unlike fraction, numerator is common. See the denominator, which one is smaller? 8. So in that side you can put greater symbol. Now everybody clear? See one more example. 3 by 5, 3 by 7. Okay, unlike fraction, see the numerator also same. See the denominator, which one is smaller? 5. So you can put in this symbol. Now everybody clear? See one more example. 4 by 9, 4 by 11. This is unlike fraction. Numerator is same. See the denominator, which one is smaller? 9. and that one you can put greater symbol. Okay, 9 is smaller, but 1 by 9 is, see here. Okay, ma? Now, let us arrange 2 by 1, 2 by 13, 2 by 9, 2 by 5, 2 by 7. Okay, in increasing order. All these fractions are unlike, right? See, 1, 13, 5, 9, 5, 7, all are different. So, this is unlike fraction. But their numerator is the same. See, 2, all numerator is same. Hence, in such case, the larger the numerator, the smaller is the fraction. The smaller is 2 by 13. Everybody clear? See here, which one is the smaller? Now you can write increasing order. Increasing order means lowest number to highest number. In this one, which one is smaller? See the denominator. Which one is smaller? See the previous example, 4 by 9, 4 by 11. So 9, 11, highest value 11, but this is smaller because 1 by 11. Okay, so this is smaller. In this one, which one is the highest denominator? 13. That is smaller. So now let us consider the smallest is 2 by 13. As it has the largest denominator. Okay, the next three fraction in order. See, the first of all you can write 2 by 13. The next three order you can write, what is the next one? See, 9. So you can write 2 by 9. The next one, see, after that 2 by 7. The next 2 by 5. Okay, the greatest fraction is 2 by 1. Right, after the next one, 2 by 1. So this is smallest number, this is greatest number. Okay, for in this problem. So the greatest fraction is 2 by 1. It is with the smallest denominator. Okay, but the smallest denominator, and that value is called the greatest value for this unlike fraction with the same numerator. So the arrangement is increasing order. Okay, so therefore that is 2 by 13, 2 by 9, 2 by 7, 2 by 5, 2 by 1. Okay. Suppose we want to compare 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. This is unlike fraction. Okay, but numerator also different. Okay, so their numerator are different and so are their denominator. We know how to compare like fraction, that is fractions with the same denominator. Everybody know. We should therefore try to change the denominator of the given fraction. Okay, you can change the denominator of the given fraction so that they become equal. For this purpose, we can use the method of equivalent fractions, which we already know. Okay, so you need equal fraction. Already you know that. Okay, using this method, we can change the denominator of a fraction without changing its value. See, let us find equivalent fraction of both. First, you can take 2 by 3. See here, 2 by 3, write the equivalent fraction. First of all, you can multiply 2. Okay, so what is that? 4 by 6. Next, multiply 3. 6 by 9. Next, 8 by 12. 10 by 15 equal to etc. Everybody clear? Next, you can take the another fraction 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means multiply 2 numerator and denominator. What will you get? 6 by 8. Next 3 you can multiply both numerator and denominator means 9 by 12. 12 by 16. Okay. Next 3, see first 2, 3, 4. Next 5. 3 into 5, 15. 4 into 5, 20, etc. Okay. See, the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 with the same denominator 12. So which one is the same denominator? See here, in this one is 8 by 12. In this one is 9 by 12. Right? See here, 8 by 12, 9 by 12 respectively. So that is, what is that? See here, 2 by 3 equal to 8 by 12. 3 by 4 equal to 9 by 12. Now everybody know this. See here, 8 by 12, 9 by 12, same denominator, that is like fraction. See the numerator, which one is greater? 9 is the greater. So 9 is the greatest means you can put in this sign. So 8 by 12 is less than 9 by 12. Okay, that means what is 8 by 12? 8 by 12 means 2 by 3. This less than 9 by 12. What is 9 by 12? 9 by 12 means 3 by 5. Or otherwise, see, 3 by 4. This is the greater. Okay, greater 2 by 3. Everybody clear? See here, in this one, 2 by 3 less than 3 by 4, or otherwise write in this one 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 3. Both are same only. Okay, everybody clear?